Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the settings, open it now and go straight to display or graphics. You want to find the night mode or dark theme toggle, flip it on. Doing this reduces glare and shifts colors for better contrast while riding at night. It preserves visibility of dashboard elements and track lights. Once done, make sure to save or apply changes because some builds require confirmation. If performance dips, lower a setting or restart the scene to confirm night mode loaded correctly. Now you tune intensity so the scene reads like night rather than a dim day. Reduce brightness and contrast slightly. This deepens shadows and makes lights pop. Shift color temperature toward cooler tones, blue or purple, for authentic nocturnal ambience, and lower exposure or bloom so headlights don't wash out the road. Once adjusted, test by riding a short segment to observe headlight behavior and UI legibility. If HUD elements vanish, incrementally restore brightness until information is readable. Finish by optimizing performance so night mode stays smooth. Lower resolution scale or render distance if frame rates drop, and enable VSync or a frame cap to avoid stutter during fast turns. Save your graphics profile so you can return to it, then test a full night ride to validate lighting, particle effects, and HUD clarity. If you see flicker or missing lights, toggle night mode off and on, restart the game, and confirm drivers or shaders are updated. This often fixes render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.